Okay, so this is a quick tutorial on how to set up emails through our Dotster program. When we log in, where it's going to take us is to the home page, or what is called the control panel. So here's a control panel, and actually it breaks it down into various departments. So there's websites, domain, marketing tools, additional tools, and email. We're going to go down to email, and we're going to go to Mail Central. And after we click Mail Central, it'll give us all of the email addresses that we currently have in our system. What we're then going to do is we're going to click New Mailbox. After we click New Mailbox, we scroll down here. It's going to be a standard email. We scroll down here, and we would put the handle of the email here in front of what we would want the domain to be. So for example, if we wanted it to be Choose Endeavor, we'd come down here to Choose Endeavor, and let's just say we put Aaron at chooseendeavor.com. So all I would do is put Aaron, and then I would select the password. The password has to have a capital letter and a lowercase letter and at least one number. And I believe it needs to be at least 6 characters. So we would enter a password. So we'd enter a password, we hit create. And I'm not going to save the password for my computer's sake. And then our new email is created. So here's Aaron2 at Choose Endeavor, which we just set up. Now if I open this up, it's going to give me a couple of different options. Now we're already done. The email is set up. But what I would suggest you do is go to Email Setup, and this would tell you how to input the information into your email client. So for example, if your email client is in Apple, this is what you would use. If it's in Outlook, for example, you click Outlook. You can even click on the version. So for example, my version is 2011 Mac. I would go to it being a POP account because it is a POP account, and this would tell me exactly what to input into our email client. So if I came down here to my email client, this is where I would input that same information. The way I'd get here, and it's different on different email clients, but you would go Tools, Accounts, and then you would hit New Account. Now this is an account we already have set up, for example, but this information with the POP server, incoming server, the outgoing servers, SMTP, says the port numbers, what should be clicked and what shouldn't be clicked. That information correlates to what's here. Tells, for example, it's a POP3 account, what we should put in the POP3 account, what we should put in the SMTP account, what ports we should put. All of that's here, so it's easy to incorporate this information into our mail client. I hope that helps. And that's it.